A traumatic brain injury can be life-altering, and so can the fight to get the long-term disability benefits you deserve. Hi, I'm Leah Small, a partner here at CCK Law. Today, I'm going to discuss what LTD claimants with traumatic brain injury should know when pursuing long-term disability benefits. I'm going to talk about how to document your condition, what insurance companies look for, and how to fight back if your claim is denied. Before we begin, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. A traumatic brain injury, or TBI, results from a blow, jolt, or penetrating injury to the head that disrupts normal brain function. TBIs can range in severity from mild, which is commonly called concussion, to moderate and even to severe. Long-term effects of TBIs can include cognitive difficulties, memory loss, headaches, fatigue, mood changes, and difficulty with concentration. However, insurance companies frequently deny these claims because symptoms are often invisible and don't show up clearly on imaging like an MRI or CT scan. Additionally, insurance companies may thus argue that the condition is not severe enough to prevent a claimant from working. In addition, subjective complaints like fatigue or brain fog are easy for insurance companies to discount without strong supporting evidence. If you file an LTD claim for TBI, the insurance company will review your medical records, imaging results, and any testing you've undergone, such as a neuropsychological evaluation. They will also look closely at the applicable definition of disability in your policy and evaluate whether you must be unable to perform your own occupation or unable to perform any occupation altogether. Cognitive limitations are often scrutinized heavily, and the insurance company may argue that you can still perform sedentary or desk work. They may also use functional capacity evaluations to assess your physical limitations, but cognitive testing is equally important if that is part of your disability. Insurance companies use surveillance and social media research as part of their claim evaluation as well, so it's important to be mindful of what you post and how it could be interpreted. For a claim based on TBI, neuropsychological testing is one of the most powerful tools that can be used. This specialized testing objectively measures cognitive deficits like memory issues, attention issues, processing speed issues, and executive function issues. In addition, detailed treating physician statements explaining how your specific limitations prevent you from working are important. This isn't just the clinical notes, but substantive reports from your doctors. In addition, imaging results such as MRIs or CT scans can also be important, although it is important to remember that these can be normal even in someone with a TBI, but an absence of findings does not mean absence of disability. It's also important to include with your claim records from all treating providers. This can include neurologists, occupational or physical therapists, primary care physicians, and psychiatrists or therapists. In addition, a personal statement documenting your day-to-day functional limitations in your own words can also be useful for a claim. If your LTD claim based on TBI is denied, do not ignore the denial. You often have strict deadlines to appeal, typically 180 days under ERISA. You should request your full claim file from the insurance company, as you are entitled to this for free. And it's important to remember that the appeal is critical, especially if your claim is governed by ERISA, because new evidence generally cannot be introduced in support of your claim once an appeal decision is made and your case is going to federal court. You should use the appeal to strengthen the record, such as obtain updated testing, get detailed functional limitation statements from your treating doctors, and consider vocational evidence showing how your cognitive or physical deficits prevent you from performing your own job or any occupation. It's a good idea to consider working with an attorney who handles LTD claims before filing your appeal. Traumatic brain injury claims are among the most challenging long-term disability cases, largely because most disabling symptoms are often the hardest to prove on paper. If you're struggling to get the benefits you deserve, you don't have to fight this alone. If you need help with your long-term disability claim or appeal, our team at CCK Law may be able to assist. Since 1999, we've been helping claimants go up against big-name insurance companies and know what they look for in a successful claim. We may be able to help you too. Contact us today for a free case evaluation, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more LTD content. Take care.